have our first tour. It has been cancelled for the past 3 days, but the Coast Guard were kind enough to lift the warnings already, or let's say the banning already. There's still a gale warning, but they would be limiting our tour to specific places where it's quite safe. So hopefully we'll get to see more islands and more caves as well. It's a combination. We originally wanted to go with tour B and C for the 2 consecutive days, but we'll see where we go to for today. So I'll see you in the next video as to where we're really going, because it's going to be a surprise. Bye. Hi guys, we're back. So we are on our first stop for tour B. We are here at Bukal Island. It is quite a short distance, about 15 minutes away from the mainland. So I don't know where we're going next, but we have taken a couple of photos and snaps already within the island. If you would notice, there's a lot of good rock formations. That's very good for Instagram photos. I chose a specific place here at the beach where there's not much people, but it is really amazing. The rock formation is really amazing. I really like it here. More of nature and more of it. See that? All nature. So if ever, because there's quite a lot of people, since it's just the first ever tour that they had after 8 days, there's a lot of people on the main area where you're supposed to swim and do a bit of snorkeling. So pretty much I'll try my best if I can take you there and have a very brief video, since there's really a lot of people. It's quite noisy. So I'm just lucky that I found this spot where it's very, very quiet. So let's try to relax. So see you guys later, and then I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, so this is our second destination, which is Paradise Island. We'll be staying, I think, about over an hour here, because this is where we'll have our lunch. So you can see the rock formations are really nice as well. A bit of vegetation, and then there's a lot of people. Of course, this is the second place we have to go to, because there are a lot of people that are eating here. Very good actually for the rock formations, because the photos are amazing. Can you see that? It is certainly amazing. Part 2, I think this is a small lagoon of what sort, but I'll go there later. I have the time. I just have to find my group, because I'm quite starving and I really, really like to eat. So just to give you a very quick 360, there it is again. Back. And then I'll do a very quick 360 of everything that I can see on this island. Very nice. It is indeed a paradise, guys. It is really a paradise. So I'll just see you guys soon, and then I'll tag you in the next video, the third island. I just don't know where we're supposed to go just yet, but of course I'll let you know and update you on what you're going to see and what activities you can do there. Quite sun kissed, but really good. See you guys. What's up guys? We're now here at Serenity Beach. So I had a brief swim first before I shoot my content. So this is called Kadlaw Island, I think. But they call it Serenity Beach. The water is really nice. That's the reason why I wanted to swim first before I shoot my content, because it's really quite inviting. The waves are really nice. The rock formation again is extremely good. And you know what? There's a bit of sun, a bit of light, but it's not as, harsh as it's supposed to be. That part there used to be the home of the caretaker. But apparently nobody's living there, so I don't know if I would go there anymore. But if you would notice, the current here, I'll just try to have another 360 view so you'd see the current. The current here is actually quite strong. I was told that after this island, it's open sea. So that's the reason why the waves are quite strong. It's actually by the rocks over there. I was just sitting down, and suddenly a very huge wave came in, and I got dunked in the water, and what do you know? I started to swim. It's really nice and refreshing. Still a very nice island here. We're not going to stay that much longer, so I think we're just going to wait for 30 minutes just for everybody to have a bit of a swim, do a bit of snorkeling, cool off, because we just finished our lunch. But we do have another destination, couple of destinations after this. But I think I'd rather go out there and swim again because the water is really, really nice. And I'll see you in the next video for the next island. Cheers, guys. Nice view. Bye. Hi, guys. So we're now here at our last beach destination. We're here at Helicopter Beach. So I am a bit sunburned, so be mindful of that. I have swam a couple of times in different beaches, but look at this pristine water. The waves are really good, actually. They're quite hard, if ever. So be careful if you guys are here because it is quite hard if ever you don't know how to swim. You have to be mindful of that. But again, guys, it is just amazing. I am a bit of a introvert, so I've been here before. I was out to sea since this 9 o'clock in the morning, and now it is the time check of 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I had a very good decent day outside and in the sun with a cool group of people, which is very, very nice. So this is pretty much within 360 of every day. Boats, and actually it's quite a long shoreline over there. There's people playing volleyball. So yeah, I think I'll just go ahead and join our crew, and then I'll let you meet one of our tour guides, one of the best tour guides, we call him Papa D. So catch up with you soon. Hi guys again. So we are just walking back. That's my husband. Say hi to the vlog. Yep, so we had to swim over there by the cliff. It's still quite a long walk before we go to or go near our group. So we're just walking towards there. Actually, that part over there reminds me of Blue Water Sumilon because of the rock formation that is, and how the waves just crashes towards the rocks. Then again, yeah. Back again in the vlog with these two guys. So if you ever see, we call him Papa D. And we also have Mark over here.
Hi.
If your tour would have these two, then you're in very good hands. Anything you guys can say to us?
Thank you so much. And don't forget, like and subscribe.
We'll see you soon.